Welcome back, brand newbies. It's another fine day here at Brandnoodle U. And here comes our fearless professor, setting up for today's big film. Looks like the AV department sent us options. Oh, I see what's happening here. That's because of last week's, let's call it incendiary performance. May our dear film projector rest peacefully at the repair shop until further notice. But hey, moving on. This week's lesson is locked, loaded, and ready to roll. Of course, Professor Bento has his favorite. Pop it in, hit play, and let's get learning. And please ignore that blinking time display. I mean, really? Whoever knew how to set a VCR clock anyway?
Welcome back to another totally tubular lesson here at Brandnoodle U. A brand's color palette usually has three parts: primary, secondary, and accent colors.
Primary's like your main squeeze, the color that shows up everywhere.
Secondary colors keep things fresh without stealing the spotlight.
And accents? Oh my gosh, that's your sparkle, like glitter nail polish for your brand.
Fonts help set your brand's tone. Serif or sans serif can say a lot about you.
Serifs are like, I'm wearing pearls for my taco date, and sans serifs are, I'm wearing sneakers with my prom dress.
Exactly. It's all about matching your vibe. Strong brands use a full logo system: a primary logo, a simplified secondary, and a tiny icon called a favicon, for browser tabs or app buttons.
Wait, what's a browser? Is that like a store for eyebrows?
No clue. The script says they're going to be huge in the future, like parachute pants. So remember, great visual identity means fonts that match your vibe.
Imagery that actually feels like you.
And a logo system that works anywhere your brand shows up. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent.
And like, always keep it totally you.
Join us next week as we turn up the flavor with another branding essential from Brandnoodle U.
Keep it saucy. Bye.
And that concludes today's lesson class. Please remember to rewind. It's just good manners. Be sure to join us next time for another saucy serving of brand wisdom right here at Brandnoodle U.